This is the unboxing of the Autobax playset from Tomica. Okay, so you can change from 3 different designs. Check here. Oh, whoa. I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife. There you go. So I think I'm going with this design right here. Okay. Alright, let's open this. Somebody so much you barely breathe when you're with them. You meet and neither one of you even know it hit them. Got that warm fuzzy feeling, get them chills, used to get them. Now you're getting fucking sick of looking at them. Stickers, there's stickers here. Good. 1, 2, 3. We are going with the last design. This one. Okay, come on now, here it is. Bisaya in Japan. So I used the third design. This one. Tires. Baligid yan. This one can open and then you can turn like that. Let's check the other parts. Dako-dako sa Cheddar playset. And so you. Okay. Little empty, wala sa kanan. So, let's have something there. Alright. What will we use? Extra. Let's find something there. These are the cars that I have chosen.
shall